Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to get SugarGoo coupon. So first of all, what you need to do is open up the SugarGoo application. Once you open up the app, tap on the U icon from the bottom right corner. From here, you will find the option of coupon. So, what you need to do here is find the available used and expired coupons. From available coupons, you will find different valued coupons. You can get different discounted offers through these coupons. Then, get back to your account and choose the Coupon Center option from here. From here, you can claim coupons of different discounted offers. All you need to do is tap on the Claim button. And you have claimed it successfully. Go to use it. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.